How to fix ChatGPT problem that says something seems to have gone wrong. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can see if you have an issue on your ChatGPT application where it says something seems to have gone wrong. So without further delay, let's get into this video. If you see such kind of error, then first of all, what you can do is you can close the ChatGPT application in your mobile device and then head over to the settings in your device. Under settings, tap on apps. Tap on ChatGPT under recently open. Here, tap on force stop, then tap on OK. After that, go back and reopen the application and try it again. If you still find the same problem, again head over to the app info of ChatGPT and once here tap on storage and cache and here now tap on clear cache. After you do that, restart your device and then again reopen the application and check for your issue. If that still persists, then check your internet connection. Make sure that you have strong internet connection. You could also switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to check if the problem is within the internet connection. And if that's not your case, then what you can do is open up the ChatGPT in your device. Tap on the three line at the top left corner. Here, tap on your name. Once you're here, sign out of your account. After that, relog in and try again. And if that still does not help you, make sure that the application is up to date. Open up Play Store in your device, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner and in the search bar, search for ChatGPT. And if the application needs update, make sure to update the application. After that, go back, relaunch the application and now your problem should be gone. If still not, uninstall the application, reinstall it back from the Google Play Store, restart your phone and then try to log in again. Now your problem will be solved. That's it and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.